Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vijay Kumar Vishwakarma, and today I will tell you how to configure the cp2k and WSL in Windows 11. So first of all, we have to install some prerequisites, and these are I type these for a convenience in a text file. So we have to install these gfortran, libopenblas and blast pack for the better functioning of cp2k. So let us start. Just open the Ubuntu terminal and now install the gfortran. Just copy and paste this command sudo apt-get install gfortran. Now type your password and press enter. Since I already installed the gfortran language for the Ubuntu and the newest version is 4.11.2.0, so it does not install, but in case of you, it will further go for the installation. So in that case, you have to just type the Y and press enter for the complete installation of gfortran. Now paste this command. It will install OpenBlast for your system. As I already tested and installed the newest version on OpenBlast, if there will be any error, then it can tell you, the terminal tells to you that there is no package listed OpenBlast or libopenblas. But since the command is working, that's why it tells that the newest version, that is 0.3.20, is already installed on your computer. So now just type this command and it will install the libblast along with the liblapack. So just copy this command and paste in terminal. Just press enter. Just see here, like the other commands, since this is not installed in my computer, that's why it prompted and says that the 7670 KB of the archive will be downloaded and the 34.4 MBs of the additional memory will be used on your disk. So just like in other, just press here Y and press enter. It will install the archive from taking archive.ubuntu.com, and finally when it installed, we further move towards the next command. Since installation is completed, now we have to install the blast. Now just type sudo apt-get install ncbi-blast plus and press enter. It will take approximately 16.1 MB of data and 72.7 MB of additional space. Press Y here and enter. Now just wait. Here I am pausing the video. Once the installation will completed, I will resume it. Okay, fine. So installation is completed. Now move towards the next command. So we have to download the latest version of cp2k. Just type cp2k.org in your browser and the page will be open. Now click to the download link and go for the latest release for your Ubuntu. So just see here, this is the GitHub project of cp2k. From here, the version 20.04.1 can be downloaded, and the libraries are source code are given here. So we have to download this source code cp2k-24.1 tar.bz2. So just copy this link and paste in terminal. Just write the command wget and paste the link here. Now press enter. It will downloaded the cp2k that will take approximately 68 MB of the lane, and once the download will complete it, it will prompt it and create a folder in your working directory, and the percent download will be shown here. So just wait. Now the cp2k version 24.1 is downloaded. So to check this download, just type ls, and you find that the cp2 cp2k-24.1 tar.bzz is downloaded in your working directory. This can also be verified going to the uh, just browsing the Ubuntu's folder. Just go to the home, and this is my username, and here you can find that this is the your downloaded files. So now we have to extract. Now just copy this command, and this is the simple untar command, tar dash accept cp2k-24.1.tar.bz2. Just press the enter, and it will be the entire whole of the package for you. So untarring will be completed. Now you can locate your folder by typing ls command. So your folder is, this is the cp2k-24.1 in blue color. So we have to change your directory to this folder, cd cp. Okay, now press enter. So we have to go as for the tutorial. We have to go for this script, just untar and go inside the folder. So just type here cd slash cp2k dash 24.1. Okay, now we have to run this command. We can manually check that the install.cpk tool toolchain.sh script is fair. So just copy this one. This is the folder. Okay, one second. Since to refresh this folder, we have to reopen and we find the corresponding folder. So we have to go to tools and then toolchain, and this is the install cp2k toolchain.sh script. So we have to move inside the directory toolchain tools toolchain inside the cp2k. So just write the complete root to go inside the tool chain. So we have to move the directory cd tool chain. Now just paste this command sudo since you can also run this command without sudo, but using sudo will be far better in case of failure in term of permission errors. So we are using in WSL. That's why we have need to always use this sudo before the any such type of commands. So now press enter here, and it will start installing the cp2k for us. And in last, it prompted some comments for the complete compilation or installation of program. So approximately it took half an hour. So I am going to pause the video, and after the completion of this command, I will again in live. Oh, finally, after approximately half an hour, it get an error unzip command not found. So we have to install the unzip command sudo apt install zip unzip. So after that, installing this command, we will try again, and approximately it will take less time. Once we look the installation process, we find that it install cmake, openmpi. Openmpi is getting from the path, from the system path. Install openblast, fftw libraries, libnit, libxc, libgrpp, and libxm. So I think this time it will install completely the all necessary softwares like Scalapack, Blast, etc. So wait for few moments, and once the compilation completed for this step, I will resume the video. So finally, a bit of a approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and it take approximately half to 1 GB of data. It install the following packages: OpenBlast, OpenMPI, CMake, FFTW, Evlit, lib, int, libxc, libgrpp, and Scalapack, and so many packages like Cosma, etc. These are required for the better functioning of the cp2k, like this one, and so many more. So these are the lists. Finally, the compilation will completed. Now it is showing the such type of message how to generate a libcp2k library. Since I am following the script of md release, so now the script can be seen here. Just go to the folder cp2k, and here you find the install.md. Just double click. Now these are the scripts. Sometimes you can also install with the few flags like only libxxm and openblast, fftw, and these ones. So the this is only depends on us what we want to execute by this softwares. So with this limited commands, we can also configure these softwares, or with full fledged of all support, we can launch these softwares. So now what we have to do next for the complete compilation of software. So just go to the code. Now copy the files which are built by the software during the compilation in the tool chain. So just copy the install and all the file from the arch directory in the directly inside the install and again in the tool chain. So just copy this one, this command, and paste this into the arch. That is the arch belong to the cp2k 24.1 folder. You may also create another folder and where you want to put these arch files. So here in my case, I am putting this file in the arch which are previously present. So here I am showing these ones. This is the my working directory. This is the cp2k folder and the arch folder is already present here. So I am using this one. Already the some arch file build for the system is given here. So I am not going to use these arch files. I want to use the specifically configured the arch files which are I just created inside the directory tool and tool chain and install and these arch. So these arch files I only want to use for my system because it is specific and compiled by my system specification. So just copy this command and paste in terminal. Basically, what we doing here, we are copying these arch files to this location. So now press enter. Just type your correct password and press enter. Okay. So it is telling that the directory cp2krs is not a directory. So basically, we are doing one thing wrong. Just go to the directory inside the cp2k. Just type your cd dot dot press enter again cd dot dot press enter. Now, in this case, we are in the directory cp2k, so we have to move one more directory back. Now just type cd and press enter and now command this one. So the arch file will be copied to the your working directory and also to the folder cp2k 24.1 slash arch. Okay. So as per the screen instructions, now we have to do this command, copy the files to the arch. Now we have to install the tools, libraries and cp2k version. So we have to source the setup file. So copy this command and paste here. Now all thing is set up and finally we have to go for this directory where the arch file is put up. So our directory is cp2k this one. So we have just to copy here cd cp2k this one. Just type tab and few letters of the directory. Just like I am type here cd and cp2k and press the tab key. So the whole route will be taken by the command prompt. So now we have to compile or generate the whole package cp2k by make command and it will take approximately 15 minutes. So we have to copy this and paste here. Now press enter. Before running this command, we have to add sudo before this one. So now press enter and it will generate the lot of datas and copies the files inside the cp2k 24.1 slash arch folder. So we have to wait for the approximately 15 minutes. Now I am pausing the video and again will be live and the process will completed. So finally, after a long wait, the compilation completed successfully. But we have to generate a libcp2k file, that is the library of cp2k. So in previous command, we can add libcp2k libcp2k. Okay. So we have to write this and press enter. So it will generate the libcp2k.a, that is the library file, and it will generate for the ssmp, pdbg, pdbg, psmp, psmp. So for approximately all type of system which we included here, this one ssmp, STBG, PSMP, PDBG. What the meanings of these local arch versions? So for this we can go to the install.cp2k folder, that is that I open here. So just go here. This is the acronym and their meanings. Means this SDBG will be use OpenMP and debug settings. So similarly, our PSMP will MPI and OpenMP both. So PSMP is far better compared to the other ones. You can also use POPT, SSMP, SOPT according to your need. But I think for the GROMAX and CP2K PSMP is far better because it uses MPI and OpenMP both. So now the compilation is completed and we generated the library file for cp2k successfully. Now we have to execute the command and check how it is working or not. Now we have installed this cp2k, and as per the guidelines of the cp2k installation and my suggestion, just close the terminal and reopen the terminal as a admin. Now we have to copy this command and paste in terminal. Oh, permission denied. So in this case, we have to change the root privileges. Just type sudo su and press enter and your password. Now again paste this command and press enter. Just copy it again, paste here again. Now copy this command. Basically, we want to create a local file and nothing but. If you do not run this command, you will also be able to execute the program. To execute the program, we can use a normal command prompt also. So just close it and now again reopen the terminal. Now this is the normal mode without any administrative privileges, but we have to export the path where our local binaries are placed. So as I told you, the all the local binaries we have copied and installed in the folder cp2k 2024.1, and all are present in exe and local. These are the our binaries are executable files. So if you want to compile with the run with the PSMP, POPT, etc., so you can use it. Since I installed all the open MPIs and other source file for the cp2k, so don't worry. If you want to use any one of them, you can simply go and export the path. So our path is home, vijay, cp2k24, exe and local. So just in terminal, type the command export path equal to $sign path, and these are the location, basically location of our path. Just press enter. Now simply, if you want to test any one of them and want to check their version, just type these local binaries. So I am typing here cp2k dot psmp. So just see here, since I am not providing any input, that's why it is showing error. But it start that cpk2 program showing its version. Where is version? Okay. uh, it is not showing the version. If you want to check version, so we can use dash v option to print it. Otherwise, if you want to provide the options like input file, then it will run the program. Okay, just see here, dash dash version. Just see here. It will show the version 2024.1 and so on. So like in this way you can install and run the whole program. So thank you for watching me. Have a nice day.